Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the host machine. Make sure you have administrator privileges and a live internet connection. Once ready, plug in any adapter or tethered device and open Control Panel, then Network and Sharing Center. From there, click Change Adapter Settings to view network interfaces. This is where you enable sharing. Make sure you identify the interface that currently provides internet versus the one you'll share to. You do this now, so Windows can bridge or host the connection correctly. Next, you enable internet connection sharing on the adapter that has internet. Right-click that adapter, choose Properties, and open the Sharing tab. Check Allow other network users to connect, and from the drop-down, select the target network adapter that will carry the shared connection. Once done, Windows will assign an address to the shared adapter. Make sure the client adapter is set to obtain IP automatically, but be prepared to manually set a static IP like 192, 168, 137, 1 if DHCP doesn't assign correctly. Finally, connect your client devices to the shared network or created hotspot and verify connectivity. If a client has no internet, check its IP with ipconfig and try pinging 8 to isolate DNS versus routing issues. If sharing fails, make sure Windows Firewall or third-party security isn't blocking ICS, and ensure the internet connection sharing service is running. Disabling and re-enabling sharing or restarting both adapters often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.